Yeah. Alright, let's go. Tell me if it goes if it changes anything. Oh, he's not going to be blocking the road now. Where do we go now? Put this out. Yeah, put it down. Let these cars go past. There you go. Can you see anything? Is it blocking? Is it good? Angle good?
Yeah.
It's actually closed. It keeps saying road ahead closed now. Dundee close, follow Dundee lane. What the fuck's Dundee lane? Let's go find out what road is closed. If the road I need is closed, we're fucked. See lads, it's all uphill. Road had closed again. What the hell's going on here? Road had closed. I need that right lane. Is it fully closed? Let's see. Look at our stuff. Oh, wait. These roads are tight. Yeah, there's people still coming up here. You sure it's closed? Oh, we're on the right way. Oh yeah, it's up here. Need to go right somewhere. It's up here. Where the fuck am I going? Fucking hell, that's a heavy hill then, isn't it? We normally come the other way. Alright, let's go lads. What kind of fucking road is this? Am I making it? Maybe. Let's go. So yeah guys, if you watched the failed video, you know I failed. So this time we're going to do it properly. Look at the views guys. This another road you can go on. This goes up to 60 as well, somewhere down the line. So you can see that. At the moment I've got a bit of a like vibration on my wheel. I think it's a suspension. I got my tyres balanced today again. Tyres alright, so I'm guessing it's one of the suspension things. So I'll get it checked out. That's why I'm not going to push it too hard today. But I can still push it decently. And yeah, you can see, really nice road this, isn't it? And yeah, this is a good car for it. You do have to brake in corners like that. Who the fuck puts a cone there over the line? So yeah, decent car guys, have a look. And this is 60 guys. Well, you really can't push it to 60, especially in this heavy fat car, because this is a very heavy car guys. If you push it too hard, the back end slides out. So you have to know the limits guys. Especially some of these bends are proper deep bends down on this hill here. So as you can see, it picks up speed very fast. We're at 60 now. Oh yeah, really nice to Allah. This is quite a nice drive. Well, I need to sort out my suspension. I feel every single bump in my ass right now. think it's only on my front right wheel as well, so yeah. Is this? What the hell the cow come from now? Look at the cock blockers. They're blocking me. Hello, meow, assalamu alaikum. You have to drive slow around these guys. Alright, cows. Assalamu alaikum, cows. Every video there's always some sort of surprise. Last time it was some people walking in the middle of the road, I don't know, 60 miles an hour road. This time we got cows. So I'm guessing they're from this farm or that farm there. Oh yeah. This car handles very well. Right now we've done 512 miles on one tank. On one full tank, and we still got 202 miles left. So we're getting about, well, this was mostly main motorway miles, so when you do motorway miles more, you get more. So I'm getting almost 700 miles in one tank. On my last car I was struggling to get 300 miles, so that tells you a big difference in it. I'm getting about triple the miles on this car, and it's the same 2 litre. This is a diesel though, the other car was a petrol. The other car used to drive slow, 60, just to save fuel, because at 70 it was fucking well bad. You could see the needle dropping. So this car's really good. But yeah, look at the views, guys. You got nice roads here. Now we've got a speed change up here somewhere. There you go. Bloody hell. The view still good, Abid?
Yep.
Okay. You're not seeing too much of the side. Okay. Can you see the steering wheel and all that? Alright, that's the view I wanted. Okay, let's go. Where does that go? Can't remember. I'm sure there's another heavy road down here somewhere. We'll have a look. Off-roading, guys. This car will get stuck off-roading. To be fair, I do have winter tyres on, so I might be alright. Yeah, because you can see it's fucking bumpy, guys. Can you see? Bloody hell. But I think that's my suspension, not me, not the car, not the road. Thank you, madam. I used to drive all these roads all the time. Bloody, look how tight this road is. Oh yeah, I used to go down there. Okay. Oh yeah, there is another road here somewhere, fast one. Let's find it. I'll put in sports mode for you guys. I'm not doing sports mode yet in this car. Well, there's no point using sports mode on a diesel. After 3000 RPM you have no power. 3500-ish. You have no power at all. So it makes no sense at all. Ow, ow. Look, guys, the sun. We started with the sun out, now the sun's gone. But yeah, this is a really nice car. Very smooth, very quiet. It's got power when you need it. Yeah, really decent car. What the hell's going on here? Have I ever been this way? Let's find out what's down here, guys. Let's have a look. Looks like another country road or something. Maybe a 50 or 40 road. Let's see. It should be a 50 road anyway. Actually, maybe not. Oi! We just come from this going up Hazy way, I think. Oh, another. Oh, Grain Road, innit? I swear this used to be a 50 or 60 road. There's new builds there. I remember this one. I remember this bit. Let's find out. So if you go to my left, you'll end up in Blackburn. You've got all the speed cameras there, like average ones. On my right is like a church and pub and all that stuff. Let's see, guys. Yeah, average speed check here. So I know where we are. So on my left is Grain Road, whatever it's called. footage cameras here still, as you can see. Come on laddie. So yeah, I'll build up speed up here for you guys, show you if I can, because it's cruise hour traffic time. Let's see if we can pull it off, guys. And it also depends on all the other drivers as well. Come on laddies, where does that go? Right, we'll try build up some speed for you guys up here. Yeah, it doesn't look like the traffic's moving fast there, bro. Okay, come on, foot down, we are 50. Catching up to 60, 70, bloody hell. Okay, I need to join in this lane carefully. There you go, guys. So it builds up speed very fast, especially that was all uphill as well, so that's crazy. So good torque on the low end. That's how diesels are anyway, so you'll have good pull. It's not like a petrol. Petrols have pull all the way, like it's like a linear, innit? So you have power all the way along, all the way in the high RPMs as well. Whereas diesel is all in the bottom end, so that's why sports mode is useless, guys. Road. Go on laddie. Road, guys, you can put your foot down, lads. Well, you can't really put your foot down, you'll probably gain 10 miles an hour. This should be a lot faster though, this road. You can easily do probably 50, 60 on this road. But it's because people will go flying off into the bloody, what do you call it, the motorway from here. You see the motorway down there. To get my suspension checked. Very poor. Now we've got a bloody bus coming. This guy wanted to overtake. Look at this parking, guys. Look at this shit parking. Bloody bastard. And you got red light. Alright guys, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Good night.